The other day I told you that Rio Tinto had got down on one knee and asked Arcadium Lithium for its hand in merger. But there was no hint of a price at that point, so punters had to guess, and they guessed around $6. Wrong. Arcadium Lithium has agreed to $8.70 a share, or a total of close to 10 billion Aussie dollars. So the shares shot up another 39% today, and those who sold on Monday for $6 are sad, regretting their impatience. So the iron ore giant and copper giant is now one of the global leaders in batteries and the energy transition. And speaking of energy, here's why the oil price has been weak this year, despite the violence in the Middle East. Supply has been exceeding demand, and the oversupply is expected to get worse next year as long as there isn't a war that involves Saudi Arabia, that is. Chinese markets surged today as the disappointment of Tuesday's measly fiscal stimulus was forgotten because the government said there'd be another fiscal policy statement on Saturday. And anticipation is what markets live for. So mining stocks went for a decent gallop on the local market today, and the All Ordinaries finished 0.5% higher, despite falls by the supermarkets after news that they'll have to tell the regulator if they want to take over another supermarket, which shouldn't be a problem since they've all been taken over already. Anyway, the cost of living crisis is caused by housing, not supermarkets, and by the fact that Australia's household debt to income ratio is the highest in the world. Commodities were subdued today. Gold, base metals and oil down, iron ore up, and the Australian dollar is down just a touch. And that's finance.